Did you know that nearly everyone experiences a skin imperfection at some point in their lives? These can range from minor blemishes like blackheads to more noticeable concerns like moles or skin tags. While most are harmless, they can impact self-esteem and make us feel self-conscious. Many people seek ways to address these imperfections and achieve clearer, healthier-looking skin. It's important to remember that our skin is unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. Factors like skin type, genetics, and overall health can all play a role in how our skin looks and reacts to different treatments. This is why a personalized approach is essential when addressing skin concerns. As we become more aware of the potential side effects of harsh chemicals and invasive procedures, many people are turning to natural solutions for their skin concerns. Natural remedies often use plant-based ingredients and traditional practices, offering a gentler approach to skin health. These remedies are often chosen for their safety, affordability, and minimal side effects. Natural remedies are not about achieving overnight miracles. Instead, they focus on working in harmony with your body to gradually improve your skin's health from the inside out. This holistic approach addresses the root cause of skin imperfections, promoting long-term results and overall well-being. Traditional treatments for skin imperfections can sometimes be frustrating. They may involve harsh chemicals, painful procedures, or come with a hefty price tag. Some people experience side effects like skin irritation, scarring, or changes in skin pigmentation. Others find that traditional treatments provide only temporary results, with imperfections returning over time. This frustration with conventional treatments has led many to explore alternative solutions. Natural remedies offer a gentler, more holistic approach, addressing the underlying causes of skin imperfections and promoting long-term skin health without harsh side effects. Nature provides a wealth of ingredients with potent healing properties for our skin. These natural elements, derived from plants, herbs, and other organic sources, have been harnessed for their therapeutic benefits. For centuries, people have used these natural remedies to address various skin concerns. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Greeks, relied on the power of nature to maintain healthy, glowing skin. These remedies work by gently exfoliating dead skin cells, balancing oil production, reducing inflammation, and promoting cell regeneration. The natural compounds found in these ingredients can penetrate the skin deeply, providing nourishment and rejuvenation. Some natural ingredients commonly used for skin imperfections include aloe vera, known for its soothing and healing properties, can help reduce inflammation, redness, and irritation associated with skin imperfections. Its gel is rich in vitamins and minerals that promote skin health. Tea tree oil, with its powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties, is effective in treating warts and acne. This essential oil can penetrate the skin to disinfect pores and dry out blemishes. Apple cider vinegar, due to its acidic nature, helps exfoliate dead skin cells, balance skin pH, and reduce the appearance of age spots and moles. It also contains acetic acid, which has antimicrobial properties. Garlic, rich in antioxidants and antibacterial properties, can help fight acne-causing bacteria and reduce inflammation. The sulfur compounds in garlic also promote healing and prevent infections. Green tea, packed with antioxidants, can help protect the skin from sun damage, reduce inflammation, and improve skin elasticity. The polyphenols in green tea also have anti-aging properties, making it a popular choice for skincare. Section 5. A closer look at effective remedies, targeting specific skin concerns. Let's explore some targeted natural remedies for specific skin imperfections. These remedies are simple, cost-effective, and can be done at home with ingredients you likely already have in your kitchen or bathroom. For moles, try applying a mixture of baking soda and castor oil to the mole. This combination works because baking soda helps to dry out the mole, while castor oil aids in healing. Cover it with a bandage to keep the mixture in place and leave it overnight. Repeat this process for several days or even weeks, depending on the size and stubbornness of the mole. Consistency is key to seeing results. For warts, apply a small piece of duct tape directly to the wart. The duct tape works by suffocating the wart, which eventually causes it to die and fall off. Leave it on for 6 days. After 6 days, remove the tape, soak the wart in warm water to soften it, and then gently file away the dead skin with a pumice stone or emery board. Repeat this process until the wart disappears completely. It may take several cycles, so be patient and persistent. For blackheads, mix honey and cinnamon to create a paste. Honey has antibacterial properties while cinnamon improves blood circulation, making this combination effective for clearing out pores. Apply the paste to the affected area, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the ingredients to work their magic, and then rinse it off with warm water. This can be done 2 to 3 times a week. For skin tags, soak a cotton ball in apple cider vinegar and apply it to the skin tag. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which helps to break down the tissue of the skin tag. Secure the cotton ball with a bandage to keep it in place and leave it on overnight. This allows the vinegar to penetrate the skin tag effectively. Repeat this process daily until the skin tag falls off. This may take a few days to a couple of weeks depending on the size of the skin tag. For age spots, apply fresh lemon juice directly to the age spots. The citric acid in lemon juice acts as a natural bleaching agent, helping to lighten the spots. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off. Repeat this process daily for several weeks to see noticeable fading of the age spots. Consistency is crucial for achieving the best results. Remember to perform a patch test on a small area of your skin before applying any new remedy to your entire face or body. This is important to ensure you do not have any adverse reactions. This will help you determine if you have any sensitivities or allergies to the ingredients, ensuring that your skin remains healthy and irritation-free. Always prioritize your skin's health and safety when trying new treatments. Section 6. The Apple Cider Vinegar Advantage, a versatile remedy for skin imperfections. Among the many natural remedies available today, apple cider vinegar stands out as a versatile and effective option for addressing various skin imperfections. This humble kitchen staple has been used for centuries, not just in cooking but also in traditional medicine and skincare routines. Its acidic nature helps to exfoliate dead skin cells, which can reduce the appearance of age spots, moles, and warts by removing the top layer of skin. This natural exfoliation process reveals fresher, healthier skin underneath, giving your complexion a more youthful and radiant appearance. Apple cider vinegar also helps balance skin pH, restoring your skin's natural pH balance. This is crucial for maintaining healthy skin, as a balanced pH can reduce excess oil production and prevent acne breakouts. By incorporating apple cider vinegar into your skincare routine, you can achieve clearer, more balanced skin. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe irritation, redness, and swelling associated with various skin imperfections. Whether you're dealing with acne, eczema, or other skin conditions, apple cider vinegar can provide much-needed relief and promote healing. Many people have reported positive results using apple cider vinegar for their skin concerns. Testimonials from satisfied users highlight its effectiveness in improving skin texture, reducing blemishes, and achieving a healthier complexion overall. However, it's essential to dilute it with water before applying it to your skin to avoid irritation. A common recommendation is to mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 2 parts water, but you can adjust the ratio based on your skin's sensitivity. Start with a small amount and gradually increase the concentration as your skin becomes accustomed to it. Always perform a patch test before applying it to larger areas to ensure you don't have an adverse reaction. With careful use, apple cider vinegar can be a valuable addition to your skincare arsenal. Section 7. Embracing natural beauty, long-term safety and effectiveness. Natural remedies offer a safe and effective alternative to harsh chemicals and invasive procedures. They work in harmony with your body, promoting long-term skin health without harmful side effects. By incorporating natural ingredients into your skincare routine, you can achieve a healthier, more radiant complexion naturally. Remember that consistency is key when using natural remedies. It may take several days or weeks to see noticeable results. Be patient, listen to your body, and adjust your routine as needed. Section 8. Join the natural beauty movement. Share your story and discover more. Have you tried natural remedies for your skin concerns? Share your experiences and inspire others to embrace the power of natural beauty. Spread the word about the benefits of these gentle yet effective solutions, and encourage others to explore the world of natural skincare. Stay tuned for more insightful tips and tricks on natural beauty remedies. Together, let's unlock the secrets to achieving healthy, radiant skin naturally.